Namaskar to one and all. Respected President of the Institute, CMA TCS Srinivasa Prasad. Respected Vice President of the Institute, CMA Neeraj Dhananjay Joshi sir. Respected former President, BB Naik sir. Respected Chairman of Management Accounting Committee, CMA Suraj Gonjali sir. And Chairman, respected Chairman of Bangalore chapter, our former presidents, our council members, respected regional council members and all members who have come here to witness this Management Accounting Award to be presented today. This award had been devised by the committee. Since last 1 year, we have been developing this award with a lot of brainstorming that has gone into it. And with the esteemed jury panel, we could come up with this analysis and evaluation today. And it is a matter of privilege for me. I'm honored to the council and the committee that they have given me this opportunity to announce. We have ultimately come to the moment where we will present a trophy to the winner of this award. I'll just say 2 lines on this. This Management Accounting Award is being given in recognition and appreciation for adoption of principles and practices of management accounting within an entity, that is an organization. The company who has demonstrated commitment to the application, innovation, effective strategy, management accounting practices, contributing to organizational excellence and informed decision making. I now call upon our Delhi International Airport Limited, who has been conferred this award, and the person who has come to take this award, none other than the financial controller from Delhi International Airport Limited, Mr. Gaurav Mathur. Please come on, guys. Yeah, Narayana Rao sir is here. Please come, sir. Please join. The award will be presented by the President, sir, TCS Srinivasa Prasad, Vice President, sir, our Chairman, and it's a great moment for Delhi International Airport Limited. A trophy and a certificate for achievement. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Jury members who has put in untiring effort and guided the committee for development of the concept notes, the kind of questions to be put in, and the analysis and evaluation part. May I request CMA S. Dorai Rajan sir, who is Total Cost Management, Lean Management Educator and Coach, promoter and ex-director, Kaizen Institute of India Private Limited, to please come on dais, sir. Our respected dignitaries on dais, please felicitate. I also request CMA Dr. D. Gopinath, Director, Sindh Institute of Management, to please come on dais. Sir, the jury panel has been guiding us with a lot of brainstorming on the analysis part. I request CMA Dr. K. Balu, CGM retired, Reserve Bank of India, to please come on dais for the memento. I request CMA Siddharth Pal, Management Consultant, the jury. I will request the jury to stay on dais for a group photo. Just 1 minute, sir, for the photo. Please. CMA, Dr. CMA K. Balu. Retired CGM, Reserve Bank of India. Thank you so much, sir. CMA Siddharth Pal, sir, Management Consultant with huge experience in the industries and consultancy. Please. Thank you so much. Without you, it would not have been possible. Other two jury members could not make it. They were available online. So we will send them a memento. So, Gopinath sir, please.
Yes.
Join. I also request our committee members, CMA Milind Date sir, please join us for a photo. Our committee member, CMA Chittaranjan Chattopadhyay sir, our jury members. CMA Harshad Deshpande sir, council member, please join us. And former President Venkataraman sir, please. Thank you so much, sir. Without your support, we could not achieve this in such a short time. Thank you so much.